Hey there, welcome to another plan with me. Today I will be doing my Big Happy Planner vertical spread using this Easter kit from Savannah Paper Co. I will link her shop down in the description and her Instagram so you can go check her out. Her stickers are so pretty, but they're also very smooth, and she has a lot of other things in her shop. So yeah, so this is the kit. I'm just gonna go ahead and play some music so you can just sit back, relax, and watch me plan my spread. Alright, so we're nearing the end of the video now. This kit is so cute. I had a really good time planning with it, especially when I cut up some stickers to make them more, to fit more of my style. I didn't mention before, but those little black and white doodle stickers are so cute. And even though I typically don't use those, I just thought they were so fun that I had to put them on my spread. I will leave a link in the description to the shop, Savannah Paper Co, if you want to check out her products. She has a bunch of stuff and has really great customer service, and it's just an overall great store. So I'll leave that down below. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. I hope the music was relaxing, and I will see you in the future. All right, have a great day. Bye.